Hi guys, today's DIY is a quick and easy, elegant centerpiece. I'll be making this vase and I'll be making 10 of these for an event. So for today, I'll be showing you how to make this one, and it's super quick and easy. I got these bowls from Walmart and this cup, and they cost only 50 cents each. I'm just going to apply my hot glue, and I'm applying a generous amount. Then I attach the two bowls, and this is going to be the base of the centerpiece. If your arrangement is going to be heavy, then you might want to consider adding some sand. You can get that from the Dollar Tree, and you can add any kind of weights in it that you like. But right now it's fine for what I'm going to be using it for. I applied more hot glue to the base of the cup, and then I attached them both. Then for a smoother finish, I'm just going to use my X-Acto knife to scrape away the excess hot glue from around the center. Then I went ahead and cleaned off my vase with some alcohol and a smooth microfiber cloth. That way when I spray paint it, I won't have much fingerprints. And my spray paint of choice is this white Rust-oleum paint and primer. I used gold leaf to add a nice elegant look to my vase, and to attach my gold leaves I use Mod Podge and a small painter's brush, and I just brush the Mod Podge lightly over the areas that I want to cover, and I also focused on the center around where the joint is. And I'm also adding some of my gold foil in the crease. I allowed my vase to sit for about 3 hours until the Mod Podge was dry, and then I used the dry brush to brush off the excess gold foil. My white spray paint is a matte finish, and I think it looks much better. The gold foil pops better against the matte finish. So I'm going to leave it just like this. I'm not going to seal the gold foil or anything. And my friend, that completes our DIY for today. It's a quick, simple, easy, inexpensive centerpiece that you can make for any occasion. I appreciate you watching up to this point. Please remember to give me a thumbs up if you like this DIY, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye bye.